Hello everyone! Today we will be creating a personalized soap using your own designs and photos. Then, let's get it started!
First, you want to start off by cutting the soap base into tiny pieces. This is done to reduce the baking time required for the process. Put the soap inside the beaker and heat it up. Make sure you melt it slowly at low temperature. Add the pieces of soap base and essential oil into the molten soap. Spray beat-up alcohol over the mold, then pour half of the liquid soap into it. Spray the alcohol for the second time to remove air bubbles. Jump into your computer and adjust the size of the image so it fits right on the soap. Press print once you are done. You would then want to dip the decal in the bowl of water.
Around 20 seconds later, the backing should start coming off from the paper.
The soap has cooled down, take it out. Apply the wet decal on the top of the soap. Then quickly remove air bubbles and water with a squeegee. Make sure you do this before the soap starts melting. Pour the soap into the mold. Spray alcohol and add the molten soap base. Let it cool and you are done.
Capture your favorite moments with your family and loved ones and make it into a personal gift. Please stay tuned for our next video where we'll be showing you how to make a personalized shoes. Don't forget to press subscribe for more information on our products. Thank you!
For more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. Feel free to send us an email if you have any questions.